My name's Tyler Athetis, and for Project 1, I did this one all by myself. Um, the concept of my project uh, was for it to be a audio visualizer, kind of, with a beat pad in it. So when you hit keys on here, noise will be made, and on the screen you'll be able to see the actual audio wave and the shape it makes. My idea behind this was to inspire creativity so that the user would not only be able to hear the noises and come up with their own little melodies, drum pattern and whatnot, but they'd also be able to see what their actual drum pattern looked like on the screen. So we'll take a look at the patch now. So this here's the patch, not in presentation mode. It's a little bit sloppy. Sorry about that. I'm not the most organized person. Up top here we've got the ADC input, and you can actually change the input. The audio, you can change it to like sine waves or other files, but for this project I chose to just do it, just use voice and any sound coming out of the computer. So that's just going into the smaller audio signals. Then for the big one I just have an ADC input. But for the big screen, the patch is a little bit more complicated. It's got I've got a JIT matrix window which turns data into something visual, and I've got a little part of it that I'm not too sure how it even works. It's a fast Fourier transformation algorithm into a Cartopole subpatcher, I think. And I'm not sure how those two work together, but I do know it takes, that right there is the core part that visualizes the audio. Hold on here. Get that out of here. Yeah, so this part right here is the part that actually takes the audio signal and turns it into a video. Then on the right here, this is pretty much all the bar going across and riding the audio signals out. So that's all that. So all that goes into the bigger box, and the smaller ones are controlled by just that ADC input up top. And then down here, this is where all the beat pad stuff is. I pretty much just took the basic stuff we learned in the first couple weeks of the class, the key input, in the like SF play and stuff, and made my own beat pad. I assigned the whole keyboard up to those. So yeah, so when you hit the keys, visualizations come through. So that's what the patch looks like, and then here's in presentation mode. And as you can see, like I was saying earlier, you can change the inputs up top here. So right now it's an ADC input, and there you go, it's sound file. And then my favorite is actually putting it in the waves, because you can see what a raw like sine waves looks like, square wave, triangle wave, all those. So yeah, that's what my patch looks like, and let's see what some people doing some demonstrations. Oh.
One, two, three, four. Four.